Hello! This garden bed is one of the most challenging areas of my garden. It only gets little pockets of sun for most of the year, which has led to little success with some of my plant choices, and a recent pH test has shown that the soil isn't very happy either. So I've decided to pull the whole thing out and start again. And this time I am so lucky to have the wonderful help of Keith Edwards and Neutrog, who have very kindly provided us with some of their wonderful products to help turn this little bed around. Keith, since we did that slightly negative pH test, I have added, as per your instructions, flowers of sulphur and GOGO Juice.
Yes.
Do you think the soil would be appreciating that by now?
Well, I reckon that it would have pulled the pH down to what we need it to be for replanting. But what we are lacking here with this soil is lots of good organic matter. We've got pretty open, sandy soil that is not going to hold anything in the way of goodness, and that's why we'll be relying on the Neutrog products that we've got here today to help bulk and fill this soil up with lots and lots of goodness. Will get the plants all growing.
Fantastic.
This is Seamungus, and this is the liquid form. This particular product contains composted seaweed, humic acid, fish and manure, all in a liquid form. Once you put this on your plants, it will just make it go gangbusters. Brilliant product. This is GOGO Juice, chock full of microbes and all sorts of wonderful things to add to your soil. We're putting some biochar to activate the biochar with these billions of beneficial microbes for this wonderful garden we're building. This is Seamungus, and this is in its pelletized form. And the reason I love to incorporate this into my garden beds, particularly where you've got soils that are lacking in organic matter, is that this will just make it chock-a-block full of wonderful organic additives that will feed your plants like never before.
Keith, I absolutely love the name Whoflungdung, and we have talked about the benefits before, but can you remind us again what they are?
It's a nutrient-rich mulch that feeds the soil. It's full of microbes, it's full of goodness. It actually rots down into the soil, just gives the plants that wonderful lift that they require.
Unlike many other mulches, which just break down and don't do anything good.
No, they don't, because they rob the soil in that breaking down process.
Okay.
So Neutrog have gone and done a lot of research on this, and they've put a lot of effort into it, so it's weed-free, and it will keep the moisture where it should be, down in the soil.
Fabulous. We love that. Having a rest for a minute. This is called Sudden Impact for Roses. I only have 2 roses, so why do we have such a big bucket here?
Because I like to use this on everything other than roses. I like to put it on all my flowering plants, my fruiting plants, anything in the garden. It's a great feeder. Neutrog do, what's it called? Gigantic. Which is another great product, but that's specifically for the vegetables and for the fruit trees and so forth. And this is just great for everything else.
Oh.
Just a brilliant product.
2 products for the garden. I love hearing that. That's fantastic.
Beautiful.
More?
That's all you need. Brilliant. Sometimes less is more.
Keith, I don't think the soil could be more prepared. It smells amazing. Looks pretty good, am I right?
Absolutely.
Ready to go.
We've got lots and lots of goodness that we've already put into that soil to build up its organic matter with the Seamungus, the biochar and the GOGO Juice, which feeds the biochar with all the microbes. And then we've covered the whole lot with this wonderful organic matter.
Whoflungdung, which we love. So we're ready to plant.
We're just about ready to go.
Next time, thank you so much, Keith. Thank you so much, Neutrog. And we will see you next time. Bye.